What does technology unlock for these brands? Does it unlock a better business model? Does it unlock a better connection with consumers? Is it faster to scale? Just any observations there?
I mean, all of those things plus so many more. Someone told me this idea once that if you remember the early days of GPS chips in cell phones, everyone thought, okay, well, what's the application of location based services going to be? Okay, well, maybe you'll walk by a Starbucks and, oh, you'll just get an ad for that Starbucks as you walk by, like 25% off or something like that. By the way, some people tried to build that. It hasn't really worked. No one had the idea that if you have a GPS chip in everybody's pocket, you could create a service like Uber where all of a sudden people could, through software that was very easy to install, free to install, in fact, and on this computer that everybody has in their pocket that knows where they are, could build a global fleet of amateur taxis. People weren't thinking like that. And that's just a systems and a network concept that technology really enables. It also does so much more. There's a great company called Lumi based here in Los Angeles that just makes it really easy for e-commerce businesses to get really great packaging. That's a process that used to take a fax machine and a lot of connections and a lot of word of mouth. And now, because there's the internet, there's websites, there's e-commerce, and there's this amazing systems integrator, all of a sudden you can do things just so much more easily and quickly than you can before. Even just like finding industrial designers or other specialists. There's just so much more consumer choice now and so much more products because technology allows those products to reach bigger audiences more quickly. Everything from like customer service to digital payments are so easy to do now. They were so hard to do even a decade ago. So it's not that every company has to create a new technology in order to be technology enabled, but basically every business, especially we learned this over the last year and a half with the pandemic, every business should be technology enabled to some degree. And it unlocks just so many different opportunities. And whether it's growth speed or breadth of growth or just a deeper connection with your customer, all these things are possible because of technology.